Guys, umaga. Tignan mo, si Maria. Ayan na. Kasi today's birthday ni Poy Poy. Kumuha kami ng DIY na banderitas.
Kaya ka naman, banderitas mo.
So, ayan. Ito siya. Kasi uli kami ng mga balon kagahapon. Yan.
Pinapos niya sayangin yung ano.
Yan. So, yan lang. Simple lang kami lang dito sa bahay. Na kayo maglalagay na kung ano-ano pa. So, tapos bumili kami ng candle niyan. So, bali yung team number niya, bali colorful something. Tapos, piloto lang kami ng pancit and bibili kami ng cake niya. And then, yung request na guys, ano ba ito? Ano request sa Jollibee? And then, di ako nakabili ng toys niya guys. At alam ko naman gusto niya to. So, ito bibiling ko sa kanya. Hindi niya kinakain yung ano, hindi ko pinapakain sa kanya yung chocolate. So, ang kinukuha niya lang is yung toys dito. Actually, marami siyang collection of toys. So, yan. Bibili lang kami ng mga ganito pa kasi kulang yung ganito namin. Kakalat-kalat namin sa sala. Siya na bahala maghanap. Hi!
Happy birthday, Dylan. Happy birthday, Dylan. Happy birthday, Dylan.
Uy!
Ano yung pangalan ng dinosaur? Tama-tama lang kasi.
What's that? Blue ano? Ano yan? O, gagat mo na. Okay, keep it to me. Come here now. Let's open. Let's open Poy Poy's egg. Ay, okay. Open. Open.
Open the mama, open.
Okay. Oh, ay! Ay, nahulog pa. Ako din mo. Ay, na. Ay.
The mama, open.
Okay, let's open the egg. You count ka.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Open.
Aray! Kaya open.
There, open.
Ah.
Open.
Tabi. What's that? Oh, again? Again?
Mama.
No, don't eat chocolate. No. We get again. Aray. You don't like it na? No? Because meron si Poy na ganito ilang beses na. Hindi na. Apot na ganyan. Like that. You put okay? Take the sticker. Sige. Put properly. Hold mo ito. Hold mo ito. Wait lang. Ay, good job. Okay, fix mo. No? Ay, wala. Good job. Well done. You shouldn't eat that. Di ba sabi ko no? No eating.
Mama to ba yan? More, ano sa legacy. Fine. Okay, talma ko. Bumasin. Mama ka mo. Talma na.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah.
Bye ano? Ano magbabay? Say mo bye?
Bye.
How many? How many?
Bye. That we are six and then
10 daw, Mama, 10.
oh
So many naman, 10. Only 5 lang. Look at your Milo is there now. Oh.
ready.
Say hi ka na.
Hi and this egg. Egg.
Show them later.
And
Again, say, look there, kami. Say it again. Emma.
Look. Hi guys.
Hi, guys.
Yeah.
Did you just say hi, guys?
Yeah.
Ay, naku, Diyos mo yung anak ko magiging vlogger na.
D. Hawak ni Mau yung D. Awang letter tayo eh.
Okay lang. Happy birthday!
Pinagbayan ko nga din ni Mau.
Happy birthday, my love! Happy birthday, Dylan! Ay, sus naman. Go say thank you kay mama. Go say kay mama. Go, hug mama. Go, hug mama, hug mama. Go. Ay, sus naman. Happy birthday, Dylan. Cake? Wait lang. I'm ordering your cake.
Nag-order ko matatay. Sabagay. D. Dylan.
Ang ganda naman ng cake ni Poy. Ayan yung kanyang cake, guys. And then maglalagay tayo ng extra candle para madami siyang ibablow. Kahit saan na lang. Ayan. Oh. Sige, maglay ka. Oh. Ikalat mo, girl. Wait lang. Ayan. Wala na ibang color? Ayan. Oh. Ayan nga. At nagluto pala si Maria ng pansit. Para sa birthday today ni Poy.
Only one blue. Ay, two. Oh, three.
Ano? Yan. Okay na yan. Tama na yan. Okay.
Hindi mo pala.
Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to
Boy,
Boy.
Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
Happy birthday, Kaki.
Happy birthday, Dylan!
Yay!
Yay!
You want to blow again?
Blow again?
Yeah.
I mean, this one na lang, okay? The small one.
Just two.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday!
You have to let us finish sing the song.
Let's
Kaki.
sing first. Let's sing. Let's sing happy birthday to you. More pa. You, let's sing happy birthday muna.
Yeah, when we say happy birthday to you, then you
Then you
blow.
blow your cake, yeah?
Okay, ready?
Apa? Okay. Sing na. Tatay, sing. Happy
Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Let the song
Happy
finish.
birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Blow, 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 blow. Happy birthday, boy, boy.
Happy birthday, Poy daw. You like it, purple?
With the back.
Huh? Sit down ka, sit down. You take a picture, sit down ka. Take a picture for Dylan. Mama, picture siya ba siya? Smile ka kay mama.
Okay, 1, 2. Wait lang.
One more candle.
Dylan, may cheese.
We need to turn off the electric fan. Again daw. Yay!
Like a cake? It's your birthday cake, guys. So. Oh.
Oh, look!
Cheese. Say cheese.
Okay. More. Thank you. Okay, lobat na tayo.
You like it? Let's cut na, let's cut. Poy cupcake. Okay? Poy cupcake. Wow. That's my pa. Ano pa yung plato niya, be? Wait! Wait lang.
Meron.
Ha, pansit lang di. Amin na, si Ama.
Yeah.
Tingnan ko tinidor niya, be.
Kaya pa
Wait!
na.
Hindi, ito. Hindi yan. Ito.
No.
Ano gusto mo?
Open there. Mama there.
Cake magkain. Ha? Nanay! Sabi ko, wag umalis eh. Ano na yung happy birthday to Purple? Tatagay? Nani will sing happy birthday. Wait, Nani will sing.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No. Mama.
Eto na. Ay, naku. Eto na kayo mo.
Okay.
Ayun na.
Okay, Dad.
This is our gift, anak. Okay? Because we know that makes you happy. Yeah. We didn't buy so much toys, na.
Kanta mo nama? What's that?
Eh. We got our gift. Ayan. Ay, talaga. This one, ha?
No, Mama, no, no, no.
Open your egg muna ah.
Ah, ano ka na?
No, 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 no. No, Mama, no.
Cupcake